Alright guys, so today we are going to remove this DIY threshold from rubber flooring to turf that we did 3 or 4 years ago. I already took the screws off, and as you can see, it's another threshold that we added holes into it. However, it's starting to come off on the sides, not becoming safe. What we want to do without being able to find anything online, we want to do this final baseboard. We're gonna try to see if we can add it as a sort of threshold, and we're gonna let you guys watch and come along. So we had our rubber flooring end right here. So we did is we cut another type of rubber flooring, and we're gonna add the strip to make it fit exactly to point. That way it is connecting all the way through, and we have a surface to glue it onto / drill it onto. That's gonna be our first step. From here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my vinyl to size. So this is the old threshold. I'm gonna use that as my guide. I'm gonna put this on top and just start cutting. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our contact cement to our final baseboard on the bottom side. And we're gonna attach it to both sides. So we're gonna put some on the bottom of it, we're gonna put some on the rubber band, and we're gonna hope that it sticks for a long, long time. Alright, so now that we have added our contact cement and we have let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna try and put it together and see if it sticks. Alright, gotta be careful with this. Alright, so far so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some weights to it and hold it overnight and see if tomorrow we're good. Maybe later I'll send a video about the follow-up on this. But as you can see, this is clearly nice and slim all the way through. And ideally nobody trips over it, and it's plastic, so it's not gonna hurt or stub your toe compared to that metal one we had before. If this doesn't work, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably add a screw in the middle with big washers in the sides too, and see if it helps it stick. Make sure it's nice and flush to the ground. And if that doesn't work, then I'll try something else and I'll keep you guys updated. Hope everybody learned something out of this for a new DIY tool on how to keep a transition strip. We're gonna leave it overnight with some weights on it so that it can dry with some weighted stuff on top of it. Alright guys, so this is the day after. As you can see, a couple of glue spots which you're gonna have to take down. But other than that, it looks good. Make sure to follow us.